Hello everybody, welcome to Life in France. Life in France versus life in the UK. I'm Mark, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget, hit the red button so you don't miss any future releases. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about DIY costs in France compared to DIY costs in the UK. Because for those who are looking to live in France, you've got the decision whether to buy a house that's already done up, or for a lot of Brits to do a renovation project. Now, the one thing that put me off with doing a renovation project in France was the cost of DIY products in France. And I'm going to show you today just an example of how much it costs to do DIY in France compared to the UK. Now, I went off to my local Brico store, and whatever store you go to in France, the prices aren't that much different. So what you're going to see today is a generalised price for DIY goods in France. You'll be shocked with the difference between prices in the UK and prices in France. Please forgive the muffled voice when I'm inside the shop. Obviously we've got COVID at the moment, so I'm having to wear a mask as per the French regulations for any shop at the moment. But you'll see for yourselves the actual cost of DIY, and it might make you think twice as regards to doing a renovation project in France when going out and looking to buy a property. Whether you buy that property that needs the renovation or whether you buy a property that's totally done. For me, when I did my property search, I actually ended up buying the properties that didn't actually need anything doing to them. And one of the main factors for that was because I already knew the cost of DIY materials in France. Guys, what I've done is when we go into Brico, I'm going to show you the prices in France, and then I've gone online and gone into B&Q's online shop. So it's the same price as you buy in store in the UK, and I will give you the comparison of the price in France compared to the price in the UK. Here we are, guys, my local DIY store. I just put my mask on and we'll go inside, check out the prices. Standard hammer, 15.30, and this one's 16 euros. Okay, so a hammer in the UK, £3.98. Saws are ranging from sort of £20.95 up to 27 euros. The saws in the UK range from £4.95 to £11.95. Wheelbarrows, £64.95. A wheelbarrow, £36. Expanding foam, £14.50 a can. Expanding foam, £6.08. No nails, £14.95. And the standard one, same price, £14.95. No more nails, £8 in the UK. Box standard sealant, £7.95 or £9.70. General sealant, £4.07. Toilet seats ranging from 35 to 45 euros. For the same toilet seats that are costing 45 euros in France, £25 in the UK. Exterior Dulux for wood, £24.95. 10-year guarantee for half a litre. £22 for 750ml. Dulux emulsion for walls, 2.5 litres, £42.95. Dulux wall emulsion in the UK, £16 for 2.5 litres. Anti-moisture paint, 2.5 litres, £52.95. Damp protection paint, 2.5 litres in the UK, just £30. 10 kilogram bag of mortar, £11.70. A bag of ready mix mortar in the UK, 20 kilograms, £7.90. Guys, you're probably wondering how much this small shopping list actually costs in France compared to the UK. In France, the total cost of these 11 items, €327.85. The same products or equivalent products in the UK would have cost you £163.98. Now if we use a euro conversion rate of 1.10 euros to the pound, that's €180 in the UK. So in France, almost 328 euros compared to 180 euros. That's a phenomenal difference. Now you imagine having to paint a whole house or doing a whole renovation project. How much is the difference going to be for a renovation project in the UK compared to a renovation project in France? And that's one of the reasons I bought my house already up and running. Guys, it may surprise you, but when I did move to France, within the lorry with all my furniture and so forth, I packed away over £1,000 of paint. Knowing how expensive paint is in France, and also the quality of the paint, because a lot of people moan that the French paint isn't as good quality as that in the UK, that it peels off very easily. So I took with me £1,000 worth of paint, because with the two properties I had to paint inside and out, and by the way, that £1,000 of paint wasn't enough. So on trips back to the UK, I used to stock up with more paint, because it made such a difference, and it was worth giving up space in my car for food and other stuff, because the paint made the huge difference as regards to savings. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short video on life in France and all about DIY, the costs of DIY products in France compared to those in the UK. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget hit the red button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, stay safe.